Going to the junkyard. Pretty gloomy day out in Florida. So, I don't know, I just didn't want to sit around at home doing nothing. There's really nothing to do other than work on the bike. I wanted to put the roof rack on the truck today, but I mean, I can probably do that. Hopefully it clears up later, but you know, the plan right now is just to go to the junkyard. I've got the TW200s, and I hate the damn motorcycle horns. They suck. So it's I want to try to get a car horn for it. I could easily just go to AutoZone and get a new one, but we're gonna make this fun. I haven't been to the junkyard in years, so we'll see what we can find there. Sometimes this location has motorcycles, and I've been wanting to buy a new motorcycle tank for the XT250 I have, because I don't want to beat up the damn, risk getting any dents on the 1982. It's all original. I don't want to screw that up. So if I can find an extra like spare motorcycle tank, I'm gonna cop it. If it fits, I don't know, I'll take a look. We'll see when we get there. Here we go. Yeah, oh, no, never mind. All right, here we go. Woo, she sounds good. I'm kind of just doing this video just to start getting the hang of like doing videos and editing and posting, and see what ideas I can come up with to do videos. I do have some stuff I want to do to the truck, and I'll start recording videos on that. I have a 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR5, not a TRD. Got some bikes. My dad has a TW200. I have a TW200. I have a 1982 XT250 Yamaha. I don't know. I'm just kind of trying to make a channel just to like post stuff that like I do. I've gotten some of my friends, some of you guys were telling me like some of the stuff I do. I should start making videos. I really should have. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I don't know. I just never did it. So here we are doing a video today. Yeah, I just didn't want to stay home doing nothing. I hate fucking being unproductive. Yeah, this video's gonna probably be pretty boring. Just taking you along to do this with me. I'm trying to get in the hang of it. I've done a couple of mods already to my truck. I should have recorded me doing that, because that would have been some good content. I'll do a walk around on my truck and like all the stuff I've done, just so who hasn't been keeping up, or like, because I post stuff on my Instagram, on my stories. I have like highlights of my truck, of what I've done so far. For those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put the at right there, the at in the description, just to get you guys in the loop of what I've done to the truck, what I want to do to the truck, what I've done to the bike. I was messing around on the bike yesterday. Should have done a little video on that too, but didn't do it. We're just trying to get in the loop of doing this, dude. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so we're starting now. All right, we're about to pull in. It's literally right around the corner. Let's see, hopefully we can find what we're looking for. I've been here one time with my buddy Troy, like years back though. All right, here. Is this it? Yes, this is the same spot we came to. Budget, you pull it. Damn, I'm actually excited, dude. I haven't been here in a while. Let's see where I can park. Thankfully, it's not raining. There we go. We're in. We got a ton of mowers. These are actually, dude, this is a dope. I have a mower I'm trying to fix up and turn into a mud mower back home. End up doing a video on that eventually. A little scooter. Damn, dude, they have tons of motors. I gotta fix the engine on the one I'm working on, but if I could pull an engine off one of these. Doesn't look like they have any bikes though. I feel like the bikes would be right there. Last time the bikes were piled up right next to these. They got tons and tons and tons of cars. I'm just gonna try to pull a horn, probably off one of the bigger cars. I don't want those little bike horns, a little small horn. I feel like they're no good. YouTubers are always like, oh, it feels weird just holding a camera up to you. Everybody looks at you, bro. It's so weird. Definitely gotta get used to this. But yeah, we're here. I don't even know where to start, bro. Cars on cars on cars. Let's just go in here. Let's check this one out. Right, we may have found the one, some Jeep. Well, luckily, conveniently, the horns, there's two horns. So let's see, hopefully this one works. I hate taking these damn clips out. There we go. Conveniently right there. Maybe it's a 13 as well. Ooh, 13, there we go. Doing this one hand sucks. Get that out the way. There's one horn that is coming with me. Alright. I'm just gotta get this one out. This is no fun doing one hand, I'll tell you that. Okay, that harness right there. Just plug in both of them. There we go, good catch. We have both of our horns. I think these will do. Now let's get out of here, it's raining. Put this away. There we go. Alright, I'll see you guys in the car. I'm gonna rush out of here. Back in the car. Got both of our horns. Let's see if I can make it work. Hopefully. Oh, I gotta get this out of my pocket. Now let's go back home. It honestly wasn't that bad. They charged me $6 for 2 horns. Not that bad. I just wanted to talk a little bit about what I want to do, what I have like in mind with the whole YouTube channel is like I just kind of want to post whatever I do, honestly. Like I was showing you guys the mower. I don't know, I'm a big like tinker. Yeah, I'm a big tinker. I like messing around with stuff. I like making it like personalized, I guess. I just like messing around with stuff. Definitely want to do like car videos. I want to do bike videos, little projects. I want to learn how to like work on small engines, fix those up, little do-it-yourself DIY projects. Like a while ago, I don't know if any of my followers remember, I took a snowboard, I turned it into a penny board. So like little projects like that, just little fun stuff I do. I think it's fun. I don't know if you guys think it's fun. Judging by like when I posted it on my story, it seemed like a lot of you guys thought it was cool. I got some people telling me I should start doing videos on stuff like that, you know. That's basically what I do. I just tinker with stuff. Like I was showing you guys the mower my neighbor was throwing out, and I'm trying to fix it up, learning how to fix small engines. Starting from that, I wanted to turn it into like an off-road mower. I see people do that, so that's definitely a video that'll come up eventually. Car stuff, I told you guys I have some stuff I want to do to the car, so I'll start documenting that. I definitely want to get a project car eventually, sometime soon, if the future permits it. So that might be something I do. We'll see. But yeah, let's get back home. I'm gonna try to throw this horn on today. This one's mine, 2021 TW200. Luckily it's not raining over here on my side of town. I got the horns right here. I'm gonna get rid of this right here. Here we go, ready? That is so annoying. I'm thinking I'm gonna splice the wires right here, bolt it right up. I don't know how horns work. I'm terrible with electrical stuff. We'll see if it works. As long as it lasts a while, it's worth it for me. So yeah, let me go get my tools and we'll get started. So I got the stock horn out. Now I don't know if the car horn, positive, negative, I don't know if that's a thing. I'm gonna splice it right here. Let's see. This one. Let's see if it fits in. It fits. There we go. That's gonna be the one. See, they're the same size as that. Same size. Would you look at that? All right, so I'm gonna go inside, splice these, crimp that on. Let's do. All right, what's up? We're gonna take this inside. Take that about in half. Took it apart. Let's see. For a ramble. see, I got them plugged in. Fingers crossed. We did it. I'm stoked. I just gotta put that right there. We're set. Oh, baby. Got a car horn, boys. That's sick. I'd say that was a pretty good attempt at changing that. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for the video. I just wanted to get something out there. Like I said, new videos to come out soon. I will be working on it. Peace out.
I can't believe it's happening.